Hello, my name is Krish Tavare. Welcome to my blog. And today I'm going to be doing a scientific paper report on the analysis of rotating magnetic field as a trigger of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria growth. Microorganisms can be utilized for a range of purposes, such as in bioprocessing for the production of biofuels, edible food, drugs, and many more. Even so, during the production of these high-value resources, magnetic fields around the microorganisms are impacting them and could have unknown effects on the integrity of the products. The electromagnetic spectrum has a range of frequencies, each having a different possible impact on the microorganisms. Along with the frequency, the strength of the field and exposure time have great impact. In order to better understand these effects of the magnetic fields on the microorganisms, a range of experiments and research must be conducted. Bioprocessing is the creation of useful products through the use of a living thing, in this case microorganisms. The products can be anything from biofuels to food to drugs. A possible solution to the unknown effects of magnetic fields on microorganisms can be achieved by applying a fixed or rotating magnetic field to the microorganisms. This will add more control to their behaviors and will provide more insights into how microorganisms can be manipulated through the use of magnetic fields. Alright, so for the results were referenced to as chaotic, and they greatly varied from microorganism to microorganism. There were many different variables in place, such as the type of magnetic field, its frequency, the strength of the magnetic field, the type of organism, and its exposure time to the magnetic field. Electromagnetic fields were proven to have a large effect on the organisms, impacting their growth rate, metabolism, etc. And even in this category of electromagnetic fields, there are still more subcategories, such as alternating fields, static fields, and alternating electric fields, which I haven't really gotten to yet, but I plan to further research that in the future. To learn more about electromagnetic fields, you can check out my blog, as there are many points where I reference my use of them and I explain more about them. Alright, so to conclude, the research experiment aimed at finding the effects of different types of magnetic fields on the functions of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, and the results suggested that the rotating magnetic fields had an influence on the cell wall transport mechanisms, and this effect is different for both these two types of bacteria because in this gram-negative bacteria, there's a cell membrane, and there's a difference in both of the cell structures. So the magnetic fields had stimulating and inhibitory effects, meaning that they either boosted or killed the cells. And in my personal opinion, the use of magnetic fields as an application to microorganisms is a novel and modern approach of manipulation, and I believe that it should be further invested in, as I believe that this could be not only a solution for bioproduction, but could also be the use as a means of cure for many diseases caused by microorganisms.